Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use interface in Java. So I have an interface here. Okay, it has a method, interface method, and there are two implementers. So I have a class which is going to implement this interface. I have another class which is going to implement this interface. Okay, the advantage of interface is you can write generic programs. Instead of writing a program to an implementation, you can write program to interface, so the program will become generic. So I have an interface here. There are two implementations and both are implementing this interface method. Okay, so I am creating an object of implementation A and implementation implementation B. I am creating an object of these two. Okay, and I am calling this method. If you see here, it is accepting this interface. Okay, but it is accepting the object of implementation A and B. Irrespective of whatever object you are pushing here, we are just calling this method. Okay, so you can, if you have 10 objects, you can call this method with 10 objects, and different implementations will be called. Got it? So this is the advantage of interface. So you can have a generic method like this, one line of code, and can handle 10 different types of implementation, different implementations it can handle. Otherwise what will happen is you have to write new of different implementations, and you have to couple to those objects. Here if you see, we are coupled only to this interface. We are accepting object which is implementing a particular interface. That's all. So that's what the power of interface in Java. Let's debug this and check how exactly it works. So I'm creating an implementation object A. Okay, and I'm calling this method. So now interface A, implementation A method will be called. Okay, so I'm from implementation A. So again we can go. So what happened is it is called this method. Now we are in the implementation B. Got it? So this is how it works. So we are writing programming to an interface. We are not coupling to any of the implementation, we are coupling to this interface. So that's how we are able to use the interface. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.